Okay.
Alright, folks, we got 4 Battles of Legends Armageddon packs. The best card to get out of this, 10,000 Dragon, Astral Utopia. Let's see how this goes. I don't really know anything about these cards besides those 2 cards I just named, so we'll see what happens. Okay. Not bad. Don't know anything about those, but could be worth something. Paid like 40 bucks for all these. 10 bucks a pack. Maybe it's worth it. Maybe it's not. Hey, this guy looks crazy. Hmm. Okay, 2 more cards, 2 more packs. Oh, that card looks nice. Pirate Draw. Penguin Torpedo. Oh, some Dragon. Last pack. Short video. Short video. Another one of these guys. Oh, Maleficent Paragon Dragon. That's cool. I guess that's it. No 10,000 Dragon, no Utopia. But these cards are still pretty cool.